Interacting with a petty person can be one of the most frustrating things to deal with. It is never easy to deal with pettiness, as it can be quite an annoying trait. You see, a petty person is someone who involves themselves far too much with the things that do not really matter. I mean the small details and the least important things. Okay, I know we've all had our petty moments every now and then, and it's completely normal. But petty people tend to make a big deal out of everything. Every little thing triggers them. And there's no way of knowing what things petty people will get triggered by. Maybe it's their own issues, or maybe your presence just annoys them. You see, having a petty friend is the absolute worst experience, and there's no getting around it. Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the signs of a petty person that makes them so annoying. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel if you're yet so, and do not forget to turn on post notification. The first sign is that they are experts at making a big deal of everything. You see, if you're looking for an expert in things like this, then that's a petty person for you. This is the type of person that would hold your mistake against you and would go to great lengths just to make your life miserable. You always end up apologizing and making it up to them, even when you're really not sure what you're apologizing for. Number two sign is that they are pretty sly in some ways. Petty people don't actually intend to be petty. It's just in their nature. So sometimes they use their pettiness to be a little sly. And this is easily covered up because they play the victim very well, even when they are wrong. They would play the blame game and act like the victim, and they make everything your fault. This is one of the signs of petty people that is exhausting to tolerate. Petty people will do everything in their capability to get what they want in every situation they are in. Number three sign is that they are very good in manipulating you. And since they are basically masters at manipulating you in taking the blame, this means they also never admit their faults. Petty people hold grudges in a special kind of way, even if their life depends on it. They will still continue to hold grudges towards someone they perceived wronged them. If you're waiting for a petty person to apologize to you, then you're setting yourself to disappointment. And unfortunately, that is something that might never happen. Of course, that means you end up taking the blame for things that aren't your fault, just for the sake of ending the argument. Number four sign is that they hold grudges in a timid way. The thing about petty people is that they don't hold grudges like an average person does. In fact, you won't even know they are holding grudges until you feel their avoidance and anger towards you. When they are mad at you, they will treat you in the most passive-aggressive manner that you won't even be aware of their grudges until they suddenly ignore you unknowingly. Number five is that they will make you tread on eggshells when you're around them, and it is very easy to upset them. This is why it is really hard to act like yourself and be comfortable when you're around a petty person. You will find yourself constantly watching your actions and words around them, afraid it might trigger their frustration over something minor. Number six is that they can be judgmental. When someone looks or acts different from their level of standards, they are quick to judge and criticize. Even before getting to know the person, they jump into the worst assumption of them. They are not particularly open-minded in that aspect, and they are also pretty big gossipers. Number seven is that there is a special type of look they give you when you trigger them. Petty people are quick to give you that look when you say something that either triggers them or frustrates them, even if it's something minor. You can see the judgment all over their facial expressions. The thing is, they don't even bother hiding their facial expression. This is likely to be an eye roll when you say or do something they don't agree with, or maybe a side eye expression that stops you in your tracks. Number eight is that you can't pretend you didn't say something they know. I mean, if you sent a message and said a particular thing, don't try to pretend that you didn't. This is one of the signs of a petty person that you really can't get around. No matter how hard you try, they have memorized what you said, and because of their detail-oriented personality, they know the exact precision of your words. So you see why you can't get past a petty person. Even if you had no bad intentions in mind, it can be super annoying to deal with this sign of a petty person. Number nine is that they are great at social media snooping. A petty person likely spends a lot of time on social media and loves to post on things that don't really have much to do with them. They will gossip and even start drama in the comment section. You see, social media is a perfect outlet for a petty person, as it gives them all the drama and none of the confrontation. Since everything is just online, they always get out of the situation when necessary. Number 10 is that they are dramaholics, but they will never admit it. The thing is, if there's a certain theme in dealing with a petty person, then it is the addiction to drama. They will do everything to either start one or be in one. Making mountains out of molehills is a petty person's specialty. So if this is something you regularly notice, then it's definitely one of the signs of a petty person. This is also why it is extremely exhausting to be friends with someone petty. Number 11 is that they will try to make you become petty like them. When you're around someone petty for a long time, then it's easy for you to act the same way. Honestly, the only people that can tolerate petty people are those who are kind and patient in nature. Even if you are tempted to fight back their pettiness, the best thing to do is respond with kindness and consideration. Number 12 is that they are condescending in nature. If there's anything a petty person is good at, then it's being condescending in nature. They will do absolutely everything to rub it in your face that they are right and you're wrong. One of the signs about a petty person is that they think they know everything, even when this is far from the truth. They like feeling above or superior to others to an extreme. Number 13 is that they are terrible listeners. When someone is selfish, condescending, dramatic, and manipulative, then it's only natural that they won't be great at listening to you either. They really don't care what you have to share or what ideas you're contributing. All they care about is themselves. As painful as this may sound, this is one of the harsh signs of a petty person. Number 14 is that they are passive-aggressive in nature. There is no getting around to it, as you will likely deal with a lot of passive aggressiveness with a petty person. The thing is, there's just something infuriating about someone who is indirectly being aggressive to you without being obvious about it. What they say could mean the total opposite of what they feel, and this can be very confusing to a lot of people. That is why this is like the most dangerous sign of a petty person, because you never know if they are angry with you or not. Number 15 is that they always have to have the final word. We know the phrase that some people just love to have the last word. But then with petty people, this is an obvious sign you have to live with 24/7. They always want to feel superior in any situation, in every argument, or every power struggle. They just have to win. And the worst part is you just have to let them win. Number 16 is that they're incapable of showing empathy. You see, forgiveness, empathy, and consideration, these aren't things a petty person knows. Because they would always want you to feel the same pain they've gone through. In fact, they might even double the pain just to seek revenge for the inconvenience and pain you caused them. You didn't test back for a day, then expect them to avoid testing you for a week. That's a petty person for you. Number 17 is that they get mad about the same things. When dealing with a petty person, they often repeat the same things they get upset about. Whether it's failing to respond to their thirst right away or liking someone else's photos on social media, they just always get offended by the same things over and over again. Number 18 is that they expect the world to adjust for them. With a petty person, it's always about their needs and wants. It's never about anyone else. The people around them will constantly adjust to avoid any complications with a petty person. But petty people will never return this favor. This is one of the most selfish signs of a petty person that unfortunately they can't do anything about unless they really want to change their personality. But then these signs of a petty person should also be taken lightly in some cases, because we're all guilty of throwing shade occasionally or being caught up in the drama. However, if they have more than 2 of these signs, then that person might just be a petty person to a fault. So look out for these signs of a petty person, because you need to realize whether this is someone you can deal with. After all, pettiness isn't an easy quality to handle. It's always safer and better to just walk away from all the drama of a petty person. Thanks for watching to the end. Please subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and do not forget to turn on post notification.